Hello welcome guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to update Windows 10 11 in laptop. So guys, very easy. If you want to update Windows 10 11 in laptop, so click on start, type here settings, click on settings, after click on update and security, click on left panel here option Windows update. So guys, if you want to download and install, so click on download and install. After wait for complete download after restart your PC. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to update Windows 10 or 11 in laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video workful or not. Thank you for watching.